Are you having problems that you can't transfer data on eFootball 2026 and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I had a lot of problems with this myself and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So from my side, what I did is that I firstly closed the eFootball app actually, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So just clicked on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage right here. And now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for all of the apps that we have on our phone to load down below here. And now when it's done, just swipe up until you can see the search bar up top. So click there. Search for eFootball here and click on the app. Now click on offload app, and once again click on offload app down below here. So click on offload app again, and now we're just going to wait, by the way, and click on reinstall app. And yeah, you have to now, as you can see, it says waiting here. You have to now wait like quite a long time, unfortunately, maybe like a couple of minutes for your eFootball app to completely update to its latest version. Then when it's done, go back and try once again. This actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.